How to log into your Xbox account on new console. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is set up your console, right? So firstly, connect your Xbox to your TV and then power the outlet. Then you can turn on your console by pressing the X button on the controller, and then you can simply choose your language. You can use the controller in order to select your language and reason, then press on A to continue. After doing that, you can choose the sign in option on who are you screen, and then after doing that, here you will actually be able to add in all of your credentials of your existing Xbox account, right? So simply enter the mobile number or the account email in there, and then you can simply click on next. So in here, of course, you have to remember that it could be the account like that is associated with your Skype or the Microsoft or Xbox account too. So in here, after doing that, simply enter the password of your account, and after doing that, click on sign in, and then you can set the preferences. You can simply follow the on-screen prompt to set your privacy, security, and other preferences, and just like this, when you click on next, you will successfully be logged into your account. You can now start enjoying your access to games, apps, and Game Pass in all of your Xbox features. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.